Good morning. Computer on Office Automation Test. Open Office Calcs Test. Roman letter 1. Fill in the blanks. 1. To join two consecutive tables, dash is used. 2. Open Office Calcs is similar to dash in MS Office. 3. In Open Office Calcs, the file will be saved as dash extension. 4. A dash contains a row and a column. 5. A sheet contains dash sheets by default. 6. To create and insert text dash. 7. To apply a formula and to find out a data, dash is used. 8. To convert a table in text or text to table, dash is used. 9. To change the position of the sheet to a different place, dash is used. 10. To work on a function, dash bar is used. Match the following. 1. Calcs AMJ 1048576. 2. Undo Control F8. 3. Back 1048576. Gallery insert menu. 5. Full screen Control plus F2. 6. Function spreadsheet. 7. Special character Control plus Z. 8. Last cell in a sheet. Select object behind by one step. 9. Value highlighting. To insert an object. 10. Last row in a sheet. Control plus Shift plus J. Roman letter 3. Choose the correct answer. 1. To autofill automatically a data series based on a defined pattern, dash is used. A. Fill series. B. Date. C. Filter. D. Copy. 2. X-axis title is one of the component of dash. For A. Formatting. B. Chart. C. Pivot table. D. Formula. 3. The default name for an open office workbook is dash. A. Workbook 1. B. Worksheet 1. C. Sheet 1. D. Untitled 1. 4. Protect document is available in dash menu. Format, Edit, Tools, Insert. To create a link to a web page, dash is used. A. Link. B. Hyperlink. C. External data. D. Import. 6. The shortcut to insert a non-breaking hyphen is dash. A. Control plus. B. Control plus. A. Control plus minus. B. Alt plus minus. C. Control plus Shift plus. D. Shift plus minus. 7. There are two types of orientation. They are portrait and dash. A. Portrait. B. Landscape. C. Format. D. Edit. Fill 8. Fill series is available in dash menu. A. File. B. Edit. C. Format. D. Tool. 9. To bring together the columns or rows into a single column or a row, dash is used. A. Split cell, B. Merge cell, C. Merge and center, D. Unmerge cell. 10. Name the shortcut to view the document in the full screen. A. Control plus J, B. Control plus A, C. Control plus Shift plus J, D. Alt plus Enter. Roman letter 4. 1. CALS is a full-featured word processor in OpenOffice. 2. To correct automatically, autocorrect option is used. 3. Pivot table is available in data menu. 4. OpenOffice document is exported as PDF. 5. Consolidate is available in file menu. 6. To protect a sheet, password is used. 7. Using freeze pans we can split the cell. 8. Styles and formatting is used to create style or cell. 9. Text to columns is to separate the content of one cell into separate column. 10. MS Word file is imported into OpenOffice. Short questions. 1. Write the steps to start the CALS program or a spreadsheet. 2. What are the features of CALS? 3. What are the applications of CALS? 4. What are the main menus of spreadsheet in CALS? 5. What is an active cell? 6. What is value highlighting CALS? 7. How will you insert a function? 8. What is the use of formula bar? 9. How will you filter data? 10. What is subtotal and how will you apply? 11. Explain the steps to create chart in OpenOffice CALS. 12. List the different types of chart available in CALS. 13. What is a pivot table? 14. How will you copy or move the cell into content into another cell? 15. How will you find, select and replace a text? Brief question. How will you import, export, send and send files? 2. What are the different types of formula? 3. What are the operators we use in functions or formula? 4. How will you format a spreadsheet? 5. How will you secure the workbook in OOI CALS? 6. Give short notes on tracking changes. Students, write the answers of all these questions. Take mobile photo, send to my WhatsApp. Thank you very much. For further details, you can contact me through this mobile number or through this WhatsApp. Thank you very much.